Initiative 12. Integration of seaport and riverport information systems. This activity focuses on the analysis of interoperability issues of seaports and riverport systems and intends to improve communication, decrease errors, and increase efficiency in handling operations. The business of river barges is very traditional, using paper, fax, phone, or email. Prior to B2MoS, filing hazardous goods and customs were the only electronic options available to most barge operators. With the expansion of import message platform, barge operators like truck and rail operators can exchange information and status data about planned hinterland transport with terminals. The expansion of PRISA allows feeder Logistikzentrale and Hamburg Port Authority to include barges in rotation planning, mooring management, and berthing registration. Pilots, tugs, belayers, and terminals can now work with barges within PRISA. E-Declaration was developed to fulfill the requirements of Directive 2010/65/EU. DCOSI has expanded E-Declaration to allow barges working along the coast outside the 3-mile zone to report. Barges need an EDI link with their customers, as well as a more intensive data exchange with terminals. DCOSI has designed the interfaces to complete the network. The module Barge Announcement is a useful addition to the existing system environment of Port Community System, PCS. By using this web application, the barge operator has the ability to provide information about general declaration, loading lists, stowage plans, and dangerous goods notification. Barge Announcement complies with the demands of the different participants, for example, authorities, terminals, and PCS operators. Riverport authorities need the general declaration as a foundation to discount the demurrage correctly. Sea and riverport master, as well as coast guards, need information about dangerous goods. Seaport and riverport terminals need information referring to load and discharge, as well as ETA and ETS for better planning. Because of direct communication with the PCS, it's possible to provide information to further stakeholders. With a single input of information, Barge Announcement fulfills the demands of involved stakeholders who are participating in the supply chain of barge traffic. The Feeder Logistics Center FLZ is a neutral platform and joint venture financed by the Hamburg terminal operators HHLA and Eurogate that optimizes and accelerates feeder ship handling in the port of Hamburg. Feeders collect containers that reach Hamburg on ocean-going vessels from the various terminals and transport them to their final destination, mainly in the Baltic Sea region and vice versa. This calls for sophisticated logistics that's considerably simplified by the efficient, specialized assistance provided by FLZ. The FLZ coordinates feeder calls at the various terminals and the relevant stow planning of the feeder vessels to offer the most efficient and effective vessel rotations by providing a carefree one-stop shopping package for feeder carriers, and by that reduces operational costs. Same service is cogitable for inland waterway vessels. However, it requires some preconditions both on FLZ as well as on inland shipowners' site. The B2MoS project supported the fact-finding, functional conception and communication between interested shipowners, terminal operators, and the FLZ. Bringing together the different stakeholders helped all involved to analyze which modifications or implementations to the different IT systems are needed to integrate the inland waterway vessels into their future service portfolio.